How to see save password on Opera. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you see save password on your Opera. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your Opera browser. Alright, so after you open the browser from your account, you'll got such interface. So you'll have to tap on three lines just at the top right corner. Alright, so now from here you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like go to full browser settings. So simply click on it. Alright, so now from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down again at the bottom and go the option advanced. So simply click on it. Alright, so now from the setting, you have to go the option password manager. So simply click on it. Alright, so from this section, you'll be able to see your every saved password on Opera. So right now, I have no any saved password on my Opera browser. So in your case, you might be finding your saved password on Opera. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.